Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of uh, the Locked In Neo series. And I think this is episode 4. Yep, episode 4. And again, I think you all might have like noticed the change. Yep, I cut my hair. The reason being, I mean, the hair that I had, like it was a lot and like uh not really like hygienic because like it requires too much maintenance and I can't be like focusing on my hair that much, you understand? So today we're gonna be doing like a quick focus on the on last week's trades, uh and I'm gonna use my camera again this week because I just can't find an app that's gonna like help me like you record on a desktop, record on the camera straight. Like I told you on the last video, like the app that I was planning to use as the trial has expired, so I'm still seeking for another app to use. If you know an app, I mean, you can just type it out. That's if you all arrived to this part of the video, because most of you all don't just like watch it until. So hopefully, if any one of you arrives here, yeah, please do. And should not be like an app that's gonna require like my Windows 10, Windows 11. Dog, I'm using Windows 7, boy. Told you, and you know, laptop is chopped. So, without further ado, let me just. I had last week. I had forecasted like two trades, and I didn't take any of those two trades. The first one was NZDSD. The second one was I forgot. Then I had another trade, GBPUSD, which I took on a demo though. Because this year I'm not trading, I'm gonna start trading live next year. So I took it on a demo. Alex, I'll show you right now. Let me just take the camera, flip it, then show you. Okay, we are firstly gonna start on NZDUSD. As you all remember, it was a trade that I forecasted last week. Well, I was expecting price to. This is like the expected layout, the play out. This was the expected play out. What? Yeah, this was the expected play out. I was expecting price to go down. What's happening now? Yeah, it's back. I was expecting price to go down, then to react on this inflection point. Price did react on it. It gave us a a bearish, a bullish candle, a green inverted hammer, or you can call it like a pin bar. Yeah, I don't exactly know the name of the candle, so but I know this is a pin bar. So it gave us a pin bar, then it straight went down bearishly. But the problem is the bearish candle retraced again, like 50% of the candle was retraced. Obviously on the 1 hour, it retraced, then it came back and went back down with the not so satisfying bearish candle. Then after there, obviously we're gonna be looking for sales. Let me just quickly go to the 1 hour. This laptop is so slow, man. Then this is it gave us a bullish this is the retrace on the 4 hour, the weak retrace on the 4 hour candle. This is the 1 hour retrace. Then it came in retraced here. So obviously after this, the retrace, we got another 4 hour. This was these are the candles, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 hour candle that was bearish, which we were expecting to enter from after like price gave us maybe like some kind of continuation structure so that we can continue downwards. Price did not do that. Instead, it made what? A hammer. Is it an inverted hammer or a hammer? Hey, jeans. Yeah. It gave us this bullish indicator candle that went to the upside, which you can see here. It gave us a bullish one, a bullish engulfing, which indicated that price wasn't willing to like go down. And again, I would have entered from this, ne? But the reason I did not is that price did not really give me structure. I could like look for a setup in a structure that I could like potentially look for sales in. Understand? So if I got a V shape after this, if like maybe price tapped in here, gave me a V shape and a proper like candle confirmation to go down, I would have. But then price just gave us a straight bullish candle. That's why I did not enter. Then moving on to the trade that I took. Well, after this, I mean, just ruined. After the bullish candle, everything was ruined. So I just didn't want to look for any like type of setups in here, because you can see price is moving like price is just not satisfying to look at that point. So I had another like GBP USD trade that ended up on break even. So let's see. So we had this price got like we had like two lows in here, two equal lows. Price took them out. Then after taking them out, we had like this momentum ram on the 4 hour. On the major time frame, it's not that big, but we are not trying to like trade the whole move. So we're just looking for price for like a 1 to 3 price movement. So it's not gonna be that big. So I think price can like do it in this like major structure. We looked for buys. So we had price breaking this internal high, which SMC would indicate that there's a shift in structure. So kind of considered it, but like just didn't depend on it. So I just had to look like for something that matched the way I trade, matched my my strategy. So uh so after this like momentum run, I price retraced back, and it kind of gave me like a continuation structure, a trade touch continuation structure. This is it. I'll just show you on the 1 hour. Please. Okay. On the 1 hour, this is it. This was one, two touch. The third touch, as you can see, was right here. And this inflection point, on this inflection point, which again it formed a V shape. A V shape. So this was a great place to enter. And again, if you can check the candlesticks again, you check the candlesticks on the 4 hour, it gave us a hammer, an inverted hammer. Yeah, it's an inverted hammer. It gave us an inverted hammer. Please return, G. Oh, it gave us an inverted hammer, as you can see it. Then a quick bullish engulfing candle. Then I entered from there. After the close of that candle, I entered. Then I had my stop loss right here. I opened a demo account, 3001. So I risked 2%. The 2% of 3000 is 60 rands. Risked 60 rands on, obviously like it was 63, considering the spreads on the broker. They're not that big, but you need to be on the safe side. So price did retrace. It retraced overnight, but it didn't tap me out. So it went upwards, moved up like two, like it moved 2% up. So not 2%, like it moved like I was gonna trade a 1 to 3. Then price moved like it moved to one, to the ratio of 1:2. So we're just waiting for this one to get filled up. So I had to like shift my stop loss to break even. but unfortunately price did retrace to my entry point and hit my stop loss, but I put it above Nyana. I think I got like 6 rands from that. So then price made this untidy movement. It was a Friday, by the way, understood. So then here it is. Maybe it's trying to go up, but for me it's a very like untidy area to trade for. If I did hold I still had like I didn't put the my stop loss on break even. Maybe I would have held it. I mean, I wasn't gonna like close it until price hit my stop loss, but it moved like almost like I'm gonna put it like 65% of the trade. 75, yeah, 70% of the trade it moved like so. 75% of the trade, then I had to like put it to break even. So my laptop ne shit it, but it's fine, we'll keep moving, boy. So it got me out. Then this is the basically the trade. So again, on the weekly broadcast, we're gonna start on the dollar index. I already have a trade in there. Not a fuck, not a trade. I set up. Uh, as you all can see, price is very bearish on the dollar after hitting this area of value. Price quickly gave us a downward movement, so didn't like really give us a setup we would want to see in terms of our strategy. We could have got it here when price like was when price sort of like just hit like above this arrow, then went down. Would have been a V-shaped setup, but didn't play out like that. So now price is giving us a continuation structure, a 1 2 coming here. Thread touch is gonna be on this broken low. So I have hopes for this trade. Not a trade, for this setup. It also indicates it's also gonna like be an indication on the setup, on the next setup I'm gonna show you. So I'm expecting like price to like tap here, then go down, then go into Euro USD, expecting sells on the dollar. So I'd obviously be expecting buys on Euro USD. As you all can see, last week price has been very bullish, and the closest major high or low, in this case it's a high, price is nearest to is this one. So I'd say price this high is pulling price to it. So we are looking at the structure. Price broke this high. Okay, let me go to the 4 hour before I go to the 1 hour. I'm sorry for the noise. Price broke this high, this internal high, went down, then it's coming to like retracing here. But obviously you can't just trade from the retrace. We need like some kind of confirmation to trade from. Okay, it's back. So like I said, we are not just gonna trade from this retrace. Maybe price could like decide to just go down, to like take more lows, go down, then maybe go up. So we need a promising setup for us to like consider buying on this. So like the previous GBP USD trade, it's not really like precisely similar, but as you all can see, we broke the high. Then price could come in here to do a two touch, because considering this could also be a V shape, because we have a low here that retested the broken high, and we're still bullish. So I'd be expecting price to come in here, maybe give us a maybe like a reverse candle, an indicator candle for us to like look for up trades. Don't know, man. Well, we'll just wait to see how this plays out. I also have like my reminder here for this one, so we'll see how it plays out. Euro AUD again. I also have a trade on it, and I could have like held it. I could have like taken this trade here. I anticipated it before it happened, but I just didn't like just didn't see like candlesticks that I like I'm comfortable with trading from, confirmation or indicator candlesticks that I'm comfortable like trading from. So I had to like just let it go. So right now it has given me an opportunity to like look for more trades, considering we are in a, it's not so bullish, but the setup like kind of like agrees with me for buys, because like we are making highs and lows, high, low, high. We are not breaking any lows. We are just like mitigating them for price to like take power, for it to like go power, not power, strength, before it goes up. So as you can see, the Euro USD and Euro AUD setups are kind of similar, and so we are waiting for price to come in here. But again, the thing that could like cause also price to go down, we don't know. Oh, okay, I know, could be like these are three very bullish candles. These are very very bearish, so we could just be like coming to like mitigate this to maybe balance price, because these were very like impulsive. So maybe price could try to like there's imbalances, big ones in here. Price could try to come in there, then go down. But for now, we'll just stick to the fact that price is bullish, and maybe we'll look for bullish setups in here, mini bullish setups, maybe on the 15-minute. Then we'll look for trades in there. Then moving to AUD. Okay, on AUD JPY, we'd also be expecting price to align with the dollar index on JPY, because you know the Japanese yen moves with the dollar index. So this one is a very like interesting one. Well, I'm a big favorite of this one. Not that I'm not a big favorite of the other ones, but this one is a very clean one. See price, this was a previous high, ne? We broke it, and obviously after breaking the previous high in a bullish candle, price also has to like come in and retrace. So price came retraced, gave us a momentum run, a very beautiful momentum run on the 4 hour. Then comes in and retraced. You saw that bullish 4 hour candle. Doesn't really like mean a thing, could also mean a thing, we don't know. We'll just see how price plays out. Then we have two tweezer tops, two tweezer tops. I think they are tweezer tops. I should check my book. Yeah, so we already have a mini setup in there. You see prices consolidating sideways, and I maybe think the reason for that was that price was like reaching its close, like price was about to close. It was on a Friday, so if price maybe breaks lower than this, because like this is if price breaks out of this sideways movement, then I'd be willing to look like for sells in here, or maybe like put a sell limit. Then just my stop loss above there would be a good trade, I'm not gonna lie, even if it plays out not the way I expected, but it's a good setup. uh I think these are all the trades that I'm expecting. After the other ones are just not looking pretty for me. You can't approach a hand that's not pretty, or not like as like, if they don't look interesting, don't like even try to approach them, because what the hell are you gonna say to them? Euro GBP not interesting. USD JPY could be giving AUD JPY vibes, but everything that's just happening in here. Yeah, like yeah. Everything. Ah. Oh, my green talking to me. Hey, USD JPY could be giving. Yeah, could be giving AUD JPY vibes. We could also expect price to like come in, tap in here on the, cause like there's like a couple of equal highs here. 1, 2, 3 on this one. Not gonna count it, but 2 equal highs. Price could try to like mitigate those, take whatever loss stops are in there, and continue downwards. But I'll look into that once price comes and taps in there. Then maybe gives us like a momentum run or something. Because I mean, if price is really like willing to go tap in here this low on this low, I mean we could have like a couple of setups in there. As for GBP JPY, hey, I'm sorry, gents, for the dots. GBP JPY, hey, for me it's kind of messy. It's very messy for me, gents. It's very messy. Yeah, very messy for me. So no setup on GBP JPY. Goldie. Okay, gold I do have a setup actually. But it, I'm just gonna require like more price movement, yeah, bro. So here is gold. And gold, it took out this internal previous high of this range, obviously. Took it out, then gave us a very like momentumish bearish run. Then went and retraced into this broken low to show that price has changed direction. So after that, I don't know if price is gonna try to like create any like some kind of continuation, bearish continuation structure in here, or just maybe like continue downwards. If it does continue downwards, I'll check for candlesticks or something. I don't know, cause right now it's giving okay. These were formed like after 7 o'clock, so there's not much volatility after 7 o'clock, especially on a Friday. So yeah, gents, that's all I had. So gents, that was basically all I had for this coming week, and I'll have more trades maybe to look into as the week goes by. But for now, those are literally the trades I have. I mean, this flashlight is gonna ruin the video. Okay, fine. So yeah, man. So I'll see maybe if during the week I'm gonna have a like something to a video to make. And again, I haven't forgotten about the psychological videos that I promised to do. So stick around for now, gents. I'm still trying to like be a content creator for y'all, cause I mean I can't just be focusing on it. Understand, as you all like understand from my first video that I told you that the thing of making videos is just gonna be like solely for the purpose of like locking in and sticking to my journey, and maybe like checking my progress as I grow. So but we are still gonna grow strong. Everything's gonna pan out the way we want it to pan out. So just it's just a matter of patience, gents. It's just a matter of patience and discipline. That's all we need. That's all we can ever have while we start. That's gonna require like little money, nyana. But if you stay disciplined, stick to the path we chose. If we stick to the rules we made for ourselves. I mean, I mean, trading industry. I mean, it's basically like you are your own boss. Understand? So it just gives you an opportunity to like create, to make rules for yourself and to abide by them. That's why it requires like a lot of discipline. It requires like a consistency. Understand? You can't just come in the trading industry without any like rules. Even if you don't know, like it requires rules. But as you go by, you'll understand that there are things that I do repeatedly, uh, that are kind of like bringing me down. So you get to a point where you like need to like set rules for yourself. Understand? You need to like set rules for yourself and say like, okay, for me to stop doing this, I have to like maybe, okay, let's say like you take a lot of trades. Understand? Just give yourself rules. Okay, I'm only just gonna take if I take like one loss for a day, maybe two losses, I stop trading. Even if I do see a setup, I'm just gonna stop trading. That's like a business. You see a business, you're gonna create a business on your own. Understand? When you create a business on your own, you're gonna have to like come with your own business model. Understand? In other words, rules. How you gonna run it and all that. Understand? Though it may not seem like it, I mean, it may not seem like it because you're always on your laptop, staring at your laptop and what. But the trading industry is a very like independent world. As much as you're chasing financial freedom and independency, at the same time you're also gonna be like independently relying on yourself. Does that make sense? Yeah, make sense of it. So you're gonna have to create your own rules. You're gonna have to like do things by the book, and the book you are going to write for yourself. Understand? You may get advice from YouTubers, your mentors, and everything, but at the end of the day, it it gets to a point where it's just you and you alone. So you for you to like start trading, obviously you're gonna need some guidance here and there. But once you feel like you've acquired all the minimum requirements that were needed for you to start your journey, you are gonna embark on a journey where you like that's just like yourself. You see, just creating records for yourself and all that discipline. Hence, like you see, most traders are very disciplined people. And I am trying to be very disciplined. I myself am still trying to like follow the rules that I made for myself. And though sometimes it is hard because of the habits that I formed, I made it hard for myself because I have like not so healthy habits, not so healthy for my progress habits that are, kind of like hindering me uh, from like reaching the point that I want, the focusing point that I want to be like totally locked in and focused. But there are habits that I formed in the past which will be hard to like get rid of some of them. It will be hard, and not that I'm telling myself. I know that I tell myself that what, yeah, they are going to be hard to get rid of, but I will get rid of them as time goes by. I'm not trying to do it in an impulsive way, because if I do, I'm just gonna end up running back to them. So I'm trying to do it slowly and slowly. When you do things slowly and slowly, your mind kind of like gets used to it slowly and slowly. That's how you form habits, by the way. Uh, there's a book called Good Habits and Bad Habits. Yeah, I think there is. I've read like 20 pages on it. That's like basically the only things that I got from there. But kids, yeah, man. On your journey, I just wish you luck. As always, man. I wish you all luck. I enjoyed making this video. I'm not gonna lie. I enjoyed making this video, and I just hope like I enjoy making all the other ones like this, the coming ones. And for the person who's gonna watch this, I just hope it's gonna be entertaining. Like the other ones would be entertaining, but this one was like filled with energy. Understand? So, and I wasn't planning to make a video. I was like, nah, I have to make a video. I promise, and I told myself that I have to make a video every week. So if a week is gonna pass by and I haven't made a video, then I would have went against my rules. I would have like broken one of my rules. Understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you on the next video, and check my TikTok. Check my, it's the same name, Locked in Neo. And again, for on the Discord server, please join, gents. Join. I can't be on this journey alone. I know there are success maniacs out there who are still trying to make it. Yes, I'm sorry, gents. I ran out of space while the video was recording. But I feel like I said everything that I wanted to say. Uh, so I'll see you all on the next video. I hope you subscribe. We have 3 subscribers, by the way. I haven't promoted my videos in any type of way, and I just think that the people, okay, one of them is my cousin. The 2 others, thank you for subscribing. I hope that I make the content you like, and maybe like the one you can like sit and watch for like the entire video. So again, thank you for watching, gents. I'll see you on the next video.